Day 2627 of the Breastfeeding Blueprint. Guys, you are almost there. Today we're going to talk about dairy. Okay, a lot of you guys ask me about dairy intake and causing gas for your babies. And again, just a quick reminder that the baby's gut is still developing, all right? And it's always good to have quick reminders in the fourth trimester because, good God, my brain still doesn't work, okay? So, now, the only time you actually have to cut dairy altogether is if we have evidence of injury of that baby's gut. So if you see blood in your baby's stool, you have to notify your clinician right away. Again, these videos are educational purposes, so you have to notify your clinician, your provider, whoever is taking care of your infant and providing them medical care. So again, if you see blood in that stool, then we probably have evidence of what we call protein milk allergy. And then we have to cut out that dairy, okay? Because it's injuring the gut. And have you ever talked to a mom that has had to cut out all of dairy? It is freaking impossible, guys, okay? And on top of that, you have to cut it out for 2 weeks before we reintroduce that milk back into that baby's system. So it is not something you should take lightly. Now, on the other hand, what we do see is that if you can cut down the load of that dairy, it also helps with the gut. So for example, if you had coffee with creamer, okay, I'm not telling you to cut out your coffee, okay? Just FYI, it's very much needed, all right? And you had eggs with cheese and toast with butter, okay? Well, that's a huge dairy load, right? And that could be affecting your baby's gut. So instead, you're gonna do your coffee and creamer, your eggs, and then maybe add some fruit, all right? So instead, replace that butter. So that is a reason why we really don't wanna cut out everything. So for me personally, I used to take fenugreek capsules, and in my culture, the Ayurvedic culture and ways of eating, we use fenugreek in everything, but it's always cooked. And so when I took those capsules, I used to get a lot of gas, and then my babies would get gas. See the correlation? Then I knew, oh, okay, you know what? These fenugreek capsules are not working for me, and I totally removed it, and voila, my gas and the baby's gas went away. So again, to recap, dairy, reduce the load. Please don't cut it out until you have medical evidence, because honestly, it's really not needed. Their guts are developing. It's going to be okay. Thanks, guys.